Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the pound yen, we are definitely still very bullish. This move down right here looks very overlapping. It actually looks like an ABC pullback. If it is an ABC pullback, it probably is going to keep on going up. As long as we don't get a significant break of structure on these higher time frames, I am definitely still recommending longs in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are obviously pushing down right now. So we have our Fibonacci retracement on here. Anything we see to the downside, we should definitely be assuming is likely nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So maybe what's going on here is this first move is like an A, this is three waves up for like a B, and now maybe we're in a wave C. So if we do go down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, make a nice big engulfing turn to the upside, then it likely would be the end of the correction and hopefully the continuation of the uptrend. Hopefully it would be a wave one, wave two, and another wave three, potentially continuing that daily, weekly time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.